Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some of the dies that I chose from the DIY Artbin store. And so I was just coming on to share a few of the things that I've made. I haven't used them all, but it was about 9 dies I want to say that I got. So I'm going to show you 3 projects that I am finished with right now, and then later on during the week I will try and get up some more. All right, so let me show you these, and let me just show you this little card that they sent. So it's a cute little card there, and they have some things on the back side that you can read there. All right, so now let's show you the items that I am working with. All right, so I am going to show you what I used first, which was this little phone. Super cute. And let me show you this card. I thought it turned out cute. I did try and stick with the colors for the most part that were on their site. And so, but also what I did is I added a little bit of glossy accent on the bottom of that phone and on the cord there, as well as this little doll here. I thought it turned out super cute, and I added some glossy accents on the hello as well. So it's all ready and set to go off to a friend. Yeah, so I really like how that turned out. I did use some extra dies in my stash. So there goes that one. And here goes the next one. So it will be this die, which is that little girl there. Now, I do have to say, with the little girls that I chose, I kind of struggled with the eyes. So, because, I mean, as you can tell, this eye just cuts out right here, but it does not give the center of the eyes. And so I just chose another little die. Actually, I think I may have used that center there. I can't remember, to try and put it in the center of her eye. But anyways, I'll show it to you, and you can see how it looks. I still think she turned out adorable. And there she goes. I did add a little white dot in the center, but like I said, I did struggle with the eyes, and there's another set later on this week that you'll see, and I struggled with their eyes as well. But I put a little starfish and a little sand dollar on there. Enamel dots, those are from Elizabeth Craft Designs. She has some great enamel dots, and added some extra dies on there just for a little bit extra texture on the card, but love how it turned out. And then there goes the inside of that card. She's super cute though. I love her. And as you know, I love nautical. And then the last one that I used is this little cameraman. He is adorable. I love him. And I had, not only did I have some stamps that I could use with it, I also had some extra dies to accompany that little guy. He is adorable. Love him. Love him. Now this camera, unless you want a paper piece or color in these, to make it a little separate, like 2 different colors, I found it a little difficult to do it that way, so I just left it gray, which was fine. And then I also added some glossy accents on the camera, as well as on these little pieces that came out of here. I just added those around, and yeah, so I thought he turned out super cute. I did add some glossy accents on his eye as well. And so, and you do have to do a little bit of paper piecing, like I had to cut his hand. I cut his hand out twice and then just pieced that over the camera so that it looked like he was holding the camera, which was shown on the picture as well. So super cute. Oh, and the other thing I did was I took some white gel pen and a blue pen and colored those shoe strings, as well as the little holes for the shoes there. And I did use some distressing going around his clothing, and I colored up his face with Copics. All right, and so there you go. That's those 3 items there. And so if you like what you see, head over to DIY Artbin. I'll have all of those links down below for you, including the ones from the other day. And if you did not see the product video, just head back over and check out my product video. It also has the pictures there for you so that you can see how these items look, and there's a little bit of inspiration for you, and that is all I have for you. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.